They should also be law binding. They should respect the people.
Salute all man we don't sit down for what it happen for country. There plenty where we get for talk come, although we don't come late, but better than say we will come than say we will not come. The condition don't permit, but God na you one he know. Every Friday we ever get one person we get for talk, or we get two people then. Where they go come to the house for same me win and then we blue talk. One they don't feel come, they call and say tanto tanda. Come good for the house countryman.
Thank you, General Moko.
How you don't be?
No, all to be fine.
Yes. So now Friday, waiting it don't make news for you for your on site for Biamasi because you come over for that side for Biamasi. Waiting the pass for that side.
No, General Moko, no important thing, no day than too much accident they occur for inside town. Almost every day accident they occur. So now the only news that way they be, and then insecurity too way there for inside town. We man one pass for that side they already track a post, man one pass for that side they already track a telephone. So now the only major thing and that way they happen now, General Moko for Biamasi.
There you are with it. Maybe internal for inside the talk palava price them for Kako for inside a country. They say it don't bad where they sell cup for rice now they say that 300 francs, so one say that 250, so one say that 200. So it don't make news. Even if you get the image, we will talk on top. So tanda you look at inside Yaoundé every day, you see say so price for petrol it don't go up for 110 francs. Where people them they vex say this so it not get for worker and for commot. What a go for workplace it not be easy now inside Yaoundé and we somebody show say this so we like the Cameroon, but how you go manage like some place and where you suffer and where you be picking for that place cocoa with the move on for farm or orange potatoes and plenty thing them the show say this so price it don't go up and then small time tapas them they don't talk so this so they get for bring price for Matango 2 for up. Taxi driver then they don't finish bring their own price for up. Okada people then they don't bring their own price for up, and then those where they run and for agency they don't bring price for up because for come out for site from van. So going for site for the Walla transport will be 3,000, 3,500. Now 5,000. Who don't give commandeer for say need the big price for transport for up? Minister where the local transport and where the local church market price the Kako, she don't quiet, you know the talk. Now population that they suffer. So tanda wait till they talk concerning petrol and chop where it don't go up.
Thank you, General Moko. When I go interview for this house one day, I don't talk say. This thing when they talk about petrol, say petrol is short. When I go see problem, we go after we will come behind that petrol. Finally, we don't see them. Now, BP say that petrol is short now because say they won't prepare the petrol for add the price. And finally, they don't already add the price. And I don't feel blame. Say the Cameroon government they don't quiet. 80 people that salary for inside, they need Adam. You want here say they don't add fuel for 100 and something franc. They won't go for salary inside and say they don't add now 40 something franc. That one it be so tight. Then we try to talk again for we buy and sell them. If buy and sell them at the price, or you know Adam, that one and not people blame me. Minister for Commerce, you know she don't buy, you know we talk because you know what you know say that you don't start them. Now they don't start them for add the price for fuel. Tell me how money for farm. You know add to cuckoo. You don't buy that cuckoo so you pay transport expensive now. We don't carry for market give more add the price. So because you know the taxi fare not do again like as it be before. So we don't get to blame them. May they add the price, they may they go. And I tell you, General Moko, what do you follow again for Bang Namimbo? Namimbo will go see them. Because the time Mimbo come out short for all sides, and when they know why it is short, because they is prepared. And one time you go use Mimbo already at, and when they talk all things at, no always suffer.
Okay. We go come on now, we go now side for the Walla for talk palava this one where boy he decide say they so a mortuary he don't overpull. He come on now, a waka go enjoy and then last he turn back he want enter for mortuary, he didn't say mortuary, he don't flop for you and when for the way come out, they talk to this boy, he get 17-year-old So they talk to this. So this matter, they don't bring confusion for inside Bonabiri, and they say this boy be dying inside a swimming pool. They carry him camp put for Sebek Hospital. That means say Presbyterian mortuary for site for Bonabiri, and then now he come out away close. Come out here, can she don't after we don't go chop soya for road a come now can tight for this place. Now we all man a come out now for calcium, and this thing it don't go outside. This one na game or na the rating. Tanto tala.
Yeah, General Moko, you see pass me power as they don't use that word, say that game or the other thing. It don't pass me power. I don't look at it for social media. I never understand. What are the rating on a have? I look at my friend. My friend tell me say don't call some person for Douala. He don't call some his sister for Douala. His sister confirm that true. And they ask him whether his sister say. And they ask him whether my friend say that his sister confirm that true. If he did it, he don't follow up or he say for social media as always. He say for social media because for me, he never read for my head say. This kind of thing if it happen. Same man feed away, he don't die, they go put it for inside fridge. After that time he come out again, go to chop light, they can't enter back for inside mortuary. He won't come the other time now mortuary don't be, they say that don't be locked, you know enter. Then if it been a person, it been a mystical person, escape give a matter na door for enter. You the enter for all corner. So that in this of the Ramoko, that is pass me power. And I don't want to say, more not take some kind of testing thing that they play games then. They play game then they. You see how they who person they look person they do the open it close the snap up all that kind of thing them. And it's like drama General Moko something we ready game for checkpoint because this social media this time around it don't scatter our head. If doctor for that hospital or mutual attendant for inside that hospital, if we don't come out to the interview, it talk what will happen because I feel you only correcting only for mutual attendant because I never hear anything on mutual attendant don't already talk.
Okay. We go talk accident wey happen for site for Manfe, motor come up for Manfe for come for site for Boya. After it can make a Tonton accident, it enter under some tree. So you see how it happen. You see this motor don't can enter for some tree where it before. They talk to this time with this motor with the cam, but they stop them. So if we feel say so sometimes na border where they carry gun and we the one kaji. So run now we na tree before the one move on the road. It can enter. Lock you say no person no room, but they get BB cut. This one na ballot for this countryman. So now we talk so the people that were inside they did for General Hospital for site for Linde. So for Manfe we could talk palava this one now palava this fire where it enter for market a born billion people at the Kako, plenty people and they don't lost for this matter and they don't know with prayer. Time where they will kill people for that side for New and for side for Manfe. Say no condition not to ever be again for that side. It won't happen. Now it will mayor for Manfe Mr. Robinson. Tabenchon Asho. Now it will go for that side with military them for protect people of that property. So the government prayer say no, nothing will happen again for Manfe. But we will see fire. That means say fire. They still the suspect sideway fire come out. Some people they say this so now light. Some people they say now they don't burn on a bonum.
Thank you, General Moko. We don't ever pray. We only pray. They pray all time till it only happen. God know the answer with prayer. That means they should say we really be careful with some way minister. We don't talk say even use Lucifer don't vex for what you way with the drum. Even Lucifer don't vex for what you way with the drum. Do you for sure say we don't pray for God. God know the answer with prayer because when you see fire today, fire tomorrow, fire today, fire tomorrow. You know inside the fire they come out. Well, we'll get the solution. We'll get the solution for they fire them. Because all that fire them now part of a crisis where they happen for northwest and southwest. So when you know we talk say in you every day in you every day in you. That one you know the sound fine for people that hear. So more will take something more talk on the highway again for B. Because that fire away the same. Yesterday you go hear some other fire today for commercial every day. With sometimes we will see the car up for that program. All sides now fire, northwest and southwest, fire. If I say me they solve the problem way, they solve the problem way they, you will say other fire the way be up and down. The fire called reduce. So we will not over talk thing way no day. We will see fire, we go talk say na in you. We see the one, we go talk say na the one. Talk thing way it directly. So that many people they know, and people they know how they adjust. We they keep on saying with the prayer for God every day, God don't answer with prayer. He says say at least sometimes people God don't vex with we, God don't vex with all we. Well, God don't ever no. I don't think say person there for the Cameroon so what God can ever forgive you because all we for the Cameroon. I don't say all we for the Cameroon. So now all we not sin at them, all we na sin at them because God know the answer with prayer because we don't pray for how many years as new Christ they ever start. We don't pray for how many years. God know the answer with prayer. Then we check say we dey for side. We check say we dey we side we dey. So I beg, more she down for check what way we fit do. Me the Cameroon, me the go before. For check what we fit do. Make each and everybody may they be happy. We know the overtake this one, put her for this side, take this one, put her for this side. Which we not fine. We not fine.
Okay. Where is not fine? We go come on now. We talk Palava with you. We talk Palava Barot. Yes, now Barot for side we call them for big massacre for inside Bombay subdivision. Palava wrote the people in the vex say this so. The council for that side, you know, get time for them, mayor and parliamentarian. This one now rain way before for December for 2023 for number 28 day. So this man, it will succeed for going with the video. See how Okada people them they will suffer, and now this Okada people them where they will vote for parliamentarian before it take chair. Now them they will vote before mayor it take chair. But then when they don't take time, promise where they will promise these people them for side for a big massacre. They will talk to this. So first thing where they get for do now for a flop the road for make and say this so new population for that side they use them plenty because plenty chop they come out for that side, cocoa they come out, and then coffee they come out, and then yam, cocoa yam, plenty it they come out. Then now so they swim inside much time for rainy season. So if they talk for instead this so some road still there for southwest for this kind of condition it will be tanda. I don't tell you a very big shame, a very big disgrace we gave for image. We gave an image for 2035. We gave an image for 2035. You look for dry season for December for dry season. Yes. You see that kind of one so. You see the way road there. Then you check say when you go one be for rainy season. Man go see pass again for that road. Man go pass again for that road. So it be a very big shame. Say with the talk say we gave an image for 2035 and then we see that kind of road them for inside the country. So no we really should don't find. You check whether with the USA with the go. Anyhow we do. We go so for the show and so that make them say then wake up for fix some. When you be mayor or parliamentarian try way for satisfy their population where they will vote you. We come on and we talk about fire and say fire for site for Baminda. They say if they so for commercial avenue for site for Baminda where fire take place and they talk about so this matter will bring confusion for that side because some people then they talk to this so no this matter they so now some burden. When they carry God, they don't pass away the fire inside the place. Some people they say no, now light where they go, they come, say now you don't cause them. So mommy them they will take now running. Any man where they come for market, if they can't tell you motor, they go in a back. And they don't lost plenty cargo for inside this this fire where you see them. Again for side for Bamina, small thing like this one. Now so people them that they turn them make a big plenty. Yes, MOKO, as we only talk. I don't talk about fire for Mamfe. Now we talk about fire for Bamida. Why we not talk fire for Douala? Why we not talk fire for Bamida? Why we not talk fire for Babusan? Why? Why it been only Bamida Southwest? So problem day will cause that fire. Problem day. Even person never even pass per day. Even now what is like something they will it shake them. May the fire the cause all that fire them. Oh, we give a calm down for Shidong for solve that problem. Why does he talk and they cry? And the talk and they cry say problem day where they cause that fire. Problem day where they cause that fire. So we will protect. What that now what you don't do what that now what you don't do problem day where it cause that fire. MOKO. So anyhow we go only go small and when I know say this so today na Friday. We na day way any man get for wash wait away we will bring them, but plenty thing anyway we not succeed for bring for una because some small mistake did it. So now we any man should don't quiet for Siam. They be put new SDO for site from Kambe and the SDO na SDO for Donga and Mountain Division. Where you don't can replace Dr. Nkweti Simon Do, where even for go for site for East Region, the SDO. Me we go see how in Ngando it happen because plenty problem for inside this Ngando. Me all we will focus for see any place where person be shidon because when occasion day share them must day and for that share name them they be for that share and for on top they share them any man in the camp wrote his name shidon for each share. Me we go see how it be pass. I witness them the day plenty. This one na SDO. Dr. Simon Nkweti Ndo na that. First person, na the fund of Chuk Village, where na president for Domafo. Second, second, if you don't take na the fund for Kambe. Third, na the fund for Benjwa. Fifth, na the fund for Kungi. And then the other one, the other one, if you don't go back, now fund for Pencil, for Side for Aku. All the fund there, all the Bishop. And na fund for inside Donga Mantu Division. Now they're not. But this matter don't bring problem. And God may use itself, we don't check sense. How we could organize occasion, and then we invite winner, we give winner chair, and then chair can bring problem. Now, I think that we don't pass for that occasion. For spoil people them their occasion. So Dr. Simon Ndo Nkweti, now in this, now man we don't work for Donga Mantumbustion, let SDO. So take all man enjoy. This man is about so Mr. New SDO. Now in this. Now new SDO where he get to take power for this continent. So it has somebody. This one now governor for Northwest Cameroon, Leland Afrique. Leland Afrique now in that way they don't sing national anthem all man a day for up. Where will I look and still say this so any man they respect the position. And they don't judge this flag for other person where governor dey for down. So governor na over kwata whether a old, whether a young for this very position, na the over kwata na in that. Give them yellow, we get for you before. And if all the respect, as you say, so na so them down they will happen. The side from Cambe, grandstand. Where all camera them today. Yes. And some community radio then they will make a live. This one now mayor from Cambe Council. Shame for Musa, we will get to the top.
This 7th February 2024 in Cambe. His Excellency, the Governor of the Northwest Region, the divisional officers of the 5 subdivisions of Donga Mantu, Your Royal Majesty the Fourth, religious, political, and other authorities.
So now Honorable that, Honorable Ngala Gerard, when I be MP for that site, and then we get a commandant of the brigade, we get a man for peloton, we get a colonel, and then we get 20 military that will be. So now entrance that will go for that side for Nkambe Palace, and we the front every day. We understand say this one so the life a day. Although some people know what accept because now people that go chop a whoop. This one now not now they organize the occasion. They invite people them. For occasion, Christmas will ever be there. Mawe and Mumu will ever be there. Mawe not even talk it will ever be there. But that occasion don't bring trouble. I want to ask them whether it is so the administrative from Cambe they know say this occasion it don't cause trouble. I would invite the new SDO and the Joe Central where we now organize an occasion. We will not look for we now invite only people that they work for inside governor. Forget about the force and the chief. No with the occasion where we they find. Because they say the force that they come for they can't bring disorder. Better than say me when I know they invite them again for now occasion. Sometimes peace it will come. Then when this countryman know that mayor, he talks to this so the way don't know what to do now, he will mean that say me then send them na region. You see na governor that he should have his own chair. SDO will come up if you want for left, the one way will take power, he should have for right. For corner na Joe Central. And then big man for Janamiri.
Company commander.
Yes. You see, all them should don't have a table chair. But for we all, we will go fight on top chair. God will want to person in the chair? No. Correct! Correct! Now, man will don't take command. And this man will come now, so for comedy man will get close. Now, he will go in for side for this region. They will work at them for this, so they will get them no trouble. Trouble nobody. And this very occasion, after they kidnap Joe for Bamenda too, and some people that When last we see Dio for the Bamina 2, they release, and then the other one there, we no see them. So this occasion not bring confusion. Confusion when no one know. Neither. Ah, my brother, tell your command. That means you know how to live with people and but don't and my communication. Now, first advisor with you. Know how you live with them because I will tell you after. Yes, when I finish, I will tell you how you get to live with these people then for Donga and Mantum Division. Yes, now my people them, but we know them fine. So you get to hear advice for Dr. Petty Simon Doe, how he will live with we. Yes. If you use the very method, it will do fine. But if you don't use the very method, that means say last some people that go transfer. Because we may not talk to them, so if they come with the own method, where the show now say this, so if they want now according to where to way, you will talk. So any man will be misbehave, or any man will no one follow rules and regulation. That is a law for this man will catch you. Tanda. You don't see us a member organize the occasion and then after occasion they bring problem the whole nation.
Thank you, General. Because where we stay for the country, we go for the land. We go for the land every day. Not to say you don't learn, so take off finish.
Yes.
The only thing I think the only my own advice I think is that issue. I say I don't overhear self as I walk over town. I don't hear people that they talk. I don't hear audio that they work out about funding for Campbell, which you have a like a title holder. Like a title holder for MOKO Palace. Now say one person don't invite you for your occasion, he know how many people we don't invite them. And he know your own best person. I know how you think them day. When you don't write name for person, say now you did the can't show for each year. Now do what they can't show for each year. Now you the planner. No be you way invite you the planner. Okay, now person will organize occasion. Now you the planner, now you arrange them how the people that we invite they don't invite them because she don't. So when you don't come see cheer when a different person in name day, no she don't. But when she don't now, that's when she don't. It be that it don't be little I said like person we don't know book. And I will say the only person we don't know book. If you do that kind of mistake, for God should have a cheer. We don't say at the own level different person their own name for day. So more they learn every day. If person don't be where as I be hear the audio the worker, when are the president for the first union where they for Campbell. Now if they take lead, any place where they enter, ain't for presidency they get for enter. Now you the president for the first union for Campbell. Now you they take lead, now you they go for front. And now if now say they enter for presidency, now you be like President Paul Black or the city. Sometimes you like should have one chair. But you wait the feel like say you be other front way overpass or other one them. When you come for back, sometimes you should not arrive for back. He recognize the president when he be president for the first union. Some of the lead, more know the overfight power way they take away the place no day for fight them. Thank you, General.
So thank you, that now we problem don't be for this matter. You the title holder for side for MOKO Palace. Wait till you figure the advice for bring peace because this matter now two brother them get problem. But it don't degenerate for some kind of way if it has can bring a war and wait for side from Campbell Central war in the other be for that side. So you were title holder for MOKO Palace. What you get for talk? And also for MOKO, plenty fund them day and now one fund a day for before.
Yes, General. Yes, General MOKO. Thank you very much. What you have been trouble for talking and say any man get your own fund them way in the rule. Any man get your own fund them way in the rule. We are not see say the other fund feel rule for your own fund them. Come on go rule for different man your own fund them. May any man should have for your own fund them a rule. May any man should have for your own fund them a rule. We not get any misunderstanding. That kind of misunderstanding will go for inside fee. Go get problem for day. Now I say just careless misunderstanding. That one not be any problem. That one not be for inside for their fund inside fund them. Say na problem because if fund not die, they will carry go better for different man they own fund them. You know, and the one not die, they will carry go better for the other one on fund them. So that one I say I'm like no problem. I say na just misunderstanding where they pass. May they forget about the misunderstanding where they pass. May any man they rule. May any man they respect each other. Because even fun way then respect the one way there for up. Even the one way there for up the respect the one way there for down. Because fun now when we say fund na fund, but when fund na fund, when they want to vote you as leader for fund, at least the other fund get for respect you like the leader. If they don't respect you like the leader, like you not gonna rule the people there. Because tomorrow the fund when the ruler like president, it will go down. Sometimes the other one go climb up. As you don't be respect him, that way they be president. Now the same to how we to not respect you, that way you won't be president. So if time now just some small thing in that way with the lack for the understand, it will bring me problem. The problem not to forever be.
So Tanda. If the two part them get small, they get small problem, between them get waiting for insight.
Well, that kind of thing, that's why you will spoil country. Because that person they see something where you never know whether it really mean and say waiting. If they want interview inside that place, the interview with the own vision, not different. If you want internet with own vision, I think I will get for learn. When you hear something, stay quiet. Stay quiet, you like picking. Leave and make power in and power. They talk as power in and power. You picking, we not move them for that thing. Because now winner, they spoil them. They never talk say when man picking and man picking get problem, then it will be easy for fix them. But when woman get problem, it will be easy for fix them. So when I'm not picking them, when I'm not turn be like that woman them. When I'm not turn be like woman, they only be same way they spoil them. When they get problem, they know they fix them. When I live with our papa them because they understand when I said that they should have one share, that they salute each other with hand. When I leave them, when they solve their problem. When I leave that computer, when I work at talk, say, give my own phone like this, give my own phone like this, give my own phone like this. They need to chop them. They need to chop them. Wait till we it matter. Now peace. And a peace will make we stay long for the ground.
So, people say, country people then where they pass mop, they say, na okra, they don't chop, they don't hear, because this matter don't degenerate some kind of way, because they picking and don't put mop for inside this matter. So the thing when go up, we know one talk saying na fun for this place, I will not fun for this place. We not be Georgia, and we not be there for a place where the matter be happen. Those way they be there, now them go talk. The thing will be happen because these two eye it is see plenty when you there for corner. But thing where you hear na hear, not just talk am. And me, you not judge person because you not be chief judge. God be one create any person. He talks in only you one could judge person. We don't can create court for the judge people them and for the way disorder start they come out. Now we know now we hear to way number one for Northwest after the occasion. What did he talk? Now in that.
There were an adoption yesterday of the two we are coming here to witness with the population of Lower Mantle Division the installation of the new ST of this division. Immediately the head of state was informed of the abduction, instructed the security services under the coordination of administrative authorities to make everything possible to release him. Thanks to the professionalism of the security and defense forces, thanks to the collaboration of the population and the bravery of the abducted has been released this morning, and we are therefore appealing the population of the Northern region and of Donga Mountain Division, which is a peaceful division. If we still have some difficult spot, to continue mobilizing themselves under the administrative authorities to give information to the security forces to shun out from this division. Those that are still perturbing the peaceful environment that is reigning in this division, in the borders, and in some major communities. That's the reason why we are rejoicing today, but we have to be vigilant. And I call the population the same way they contributed to the release of the DO, to contribute the same to release all those that are still kept by those terrorist groups.
Ok, maintenant en français.
Yes. Now them not the Shidon.
Man wey dey take chair don take am. We dey thank all man wey dey for grandstand. Say anyhow we dey, although they will last kidnap the one due for that side with some people them, but peace it don't come because it didn't say they don't release as we see them. So we ask them now for parliamentarian for side from Campbell. Come for me, Jeran Gala, wait till you go for talk. Talk now.
Why they only change Nigeria for Campbell?
Okay. So
then will be happen. We still get talk for talk because we own our peace. We know the way for disorder. We know the fight. We know rich, but now say peace now peace we don't come out for the village. We will come out for the and people them for the they get thing what they can say respect and we now so they don't bond them with them. So countryman, you don't get to way parliamentarian. Time for me, Gerard Ngala, he don't talk am. But now, talk where we get for go for day now. Now for see, Donga and Mountain Force Union, where they come and say Domafo, where now they create problem now. How these fund them? They be work a go for side where they call them for Fungan Palace. No me na all fund in the enter for the. Before you want enter for it, they don't check you, scan you, see how you did because disorder in order for the palace. We will go see time where they will go there and how they receive, and they will look, they fund them how they did for face and wait they go for talk. We will see them. So now so it will happen. Now time this way, they fund them they will come out for Donga Mountain Division. Then go for side for Fumba. Before they only go for Fumba, they be done pass for governor's office for side for Bafusam for our Ponka Agustin on office. For sure say they so they never come over the Donga Mountain Division, come for West region where they no go see head boy for the region. Now inside Fumba, Palace and they will enter for the Kales. Yes. Now from Fumbot and vote for side for Kutaba, they will join. Mama for them, they will come for day. We for Ndong, they will day, and then we get Atara. We come up for that side for Ako. It not be easy. I say it not be easy. Now people in this way they come up for side for Ako and Ako too. It then for don't go about division. They record this dance na Atara, and we salute all man for side for Bembe. Yes, we salute all man for Ako. This one a time for me for side for Fumbot. And time for me too for Kotaba. Now for Metamu and also so we know people there and then that mountain they be now one person. No man not different. But now picking the one differentiate for Meta say living man knows so he be this one. Living one knows say he be this one. Now president for Doma for that. And I will lead the delegation. And where it may be changed. Any man again a mandate where he get to live. Whatever should over that chair, the president. When the man they finish, they put you down, put another person, and we all fund them get for Shidong for this chair like a president. So now moment you than that, where them two they be talk say, when I can't vote, fund them for inside Donga and Mountain Division. Plenty people then when they don't react, as they fund they don't come be together. Because it is strong in those days, you never see 3 funds in one place. No man will do one video to know, I know one see me this person. Me and this person get problem. Me and this person get problem. So now, They don't try all and all for saying that be unite. And at the time first, they share and they talk to them, they talk for me them, where they don't organize Kaikan meeting for bring all this from them together. So with the me at the time them plenty. Even if you see them, sometimes you know for see this from them for Fuman Palace. So at the time, any man, any elite, see to His Excellency, share Jews member with His Excellency, full Callistus gentle, they evident where they don't try for bring this from them together. One person there, where as he don't know, he don't start the show for women community say they so trouble if he come. We declare honorable and wooden buyer. We know the exist again. Now anyway, can't take it to come out. Tell me this man today. Now the Nyanga from this way now he be president for Domafo. Now he the lead the delegation. For now, now he the leader. You see, Tanto Tanda now the form that person where the phone go back now phone for pencil. Yeah, phone for pencil, for side for Ako, phone for Benshua, phone for what? Baby. Yes. So this one now those way, they get their post security people for inside palace for side for Fumban. We all when they slice when I move, when I begin to see how for take stranger enter one time for palace, how do they conduct the entrance? We all from the one machine over palace person time for come see fun. You doesn't know fun no day. Me look important, me I look important. Fun to do come say no na me miss. Na me have the fun. So when I begin to tell that's why they talk for all the fun them, all the policies, all the evidence when they say they don't know the outcome now this one now. We now learn from these people then. And all we come on for trickery. All we come on for trickery. Fun for that side, Nabil, fun Nabil, yes. Fun for Fumba. Now begin for trickery. Fun them for side for Dongamanton. Now begin for trickery. Now you see them? So why all these things? They see how the fun them they shine. You see how the fun they shine, Tanto Tanda. Yes. So Tanto Tanda, now do this way, this country people then they will go for Fumban Palace and the way fun for side for Fumban Palace, it be glad for see brother them because since they be put in for chair. Since when papa die, they put in for chair, they fund them for side for Donga Mantum Division, they don't be done cancel. Yes, so the president for Domafo, from Jofo, Maurice II, he used his head and then he tried for call his brother, then me they can't salute because you know if you get some brother, they put it for chair, you don't can salute. He said no. So now why would they go for that palace? Thank you, General Moko. I don't see I'm saying a very good step ahead. A very good step ahead. First step ahead, I see fund them from Donga and Mantum, they did together. Yes. They live together, but some picking and they for back where they want spoil them, but they never ever spoil them. You don't see, never even Tiwa don't explain for you about sitting General Moko for day for installation for SDO from Cambe. If you see how they even go visit their brother Sultan for Fumban, if you say they shouldn't, you will see as if for Sultan don't take president too like the big man for that group where he gave Moshudana for a corner. Yeah, he put him up on the right. For sure say now president the way he lead this group. Now so administration day General Moko. More that's so administration day. More not take thing the way they pass for inside the palace. Then bring them for inside inside place on administration day because administration day know the way 80% how people they get for Shidong. Because if you go for some place Jews and none of ever Shidong first before SDO Shidong. That one a lie. Because any place where they give a lead delegation, SDO give a lead the delegation. So I beg more trouble for being united. As I don't see how they fund for Canberra they be united. No always try to trouble for being united. Just like that fund them. No they copy a good example them. But no leave. I don't listen to something General Moko. Just excuse me small. I want Professor August on special salute. Special salute for manager for cancer radio. For the kind of advice with me I don't hear today in the game for news. In the talk say no hate person, no look person where hate you, something on top you because say you want for spoil you. Because say when the person go sit down for any place, when they call in name they say, hey, now that kind of person where they talk.
So more try for the learn good thing them. More try for the live, find the at least like your brother, like your sister, more unite with self. Through hatred, more through hatred. Like because sometimes as that first union they so some folk they want to be like I say me like he be president. But due to the majority they don't do the election, they vote. When I not be vote for you, when I give them just tie for you back. When the time to come finish it, it will be again. But they vote another person. So they will all consider for be united. And when they don't put another person, me at the top for the fund will be president now. When they don't put when the time to don't come finish, they put another person. Me no go for back. Me no say na he be the first advisor. First advisor for that fund where they don't put them again. No, maybe for corner so that the rest them can learn sense because at the same time that fund will be educated.
Yes. So when I don't hear to tanto tanda, they don't talk but something they pronounce the right message say they be like for year. The palaver for Joe for Pamina to where they be kidnapped. We don't last go see incident worker for 10 hours. We will hear to where this Joe for Pamina to the talk. Joe be talk, yes.
It was God's grace that I managed to escape.
Indeed.
In the night. So I've trekked for 10 hours. Yes. So it was God's grace that I managed to escape.
Indeed.
In the night. So I've trekked for 10 hours.
Okay. Tanda, we don't hear no?
Thank you, General MOKO.
Yeah.
This thing they so we give for must talk. Because I don't wait and for ready talk. It be something I don't know whether we want for the act for the Cameroon or na waiting.
Na drama how?
Because they don't come out for here. Do you know come out wait? They do for Bamila too. They be install na here. Or the person who they don't come and be na a brother.
No, they be install na a brother. So you get for come. Can't see how they put the brother.
Okay, they be install a brother. And governor be go there.
Yes.
And governor be get encourage way be go there.
Yes.
And inside that encourage, the governor be get uniform people they know they guide you whether they go for front whether they come for back because they know say that zone where they pass for going at back zone. Do you know when you the day for Bamida 2 we know how Bamida 2 the hot. You come up for who side before you run something they will come meet your motor and meet up around the motor be empty. Well we are not there inside. Now we never even see how they don't show the other people the way they kidnap them. Then now you do this and now you sleep for bed. Say you don't work at 10 hours. For 10 hours. That means say if you work out for 10 hours, that means say I go come up for you go for Douala.
Yes.
That means I go come up for you when they so straight go for Douala. When we want talk, no, they talk way. Tomorrow they ask you question, you go talk up. No, but I never see this time. Even for come up for me, for go read from Cambe. I never see I say you go trek for 10 hours. For inside bush.
No, it don't trek from Tumbo for where they kidnap. It don't trek from Tumbo for carrying for Baminda town.
It don't trek from Tumbo for carrying for Baminda town.
Yes.
Where Tumbo they will give you be the pass and through Bawusa, you pass and through Fumban, no?
Yes.
You pass through Fumban.
They don't work on foot.
Well, I don't work on foot. We don't be there for carry for take motor.
When they don't kidnap you and then they talk out to us, it will pay motor waiting.
Ah no, leave am General MOKO. You can pay motor waiting. Now do that way. If you go come up say, the motor carry me one. Now matter they were there for day. If they will carry you and they will go say to the driver. Leave that thing. You talk to man. I don't know whether you already investigate the matter very well for talk say he don't travel check from Tumbo. Now
you return now you talk.
He say check now for
10 hours.
10 hours. But he never give destination where
we go there. Yes.
We don't check.
Yes. So Tanda.
Yes.
He did a state time where we come from Tumbo.
Yes.
Now you know the road we don't take them because first time for come for side for go for some village. If we go get some problem for day for night, it's go strong for no the road we will take them. So now the way people for that side they damn say the how this man managed work out 10 hours so they go for Bamida. So anyhow we did.
So this man first of all from now it's a Western way you don't know the other side and so.
Yes.
You go trip for 10 hours.
Okay.
10 hours we never meet up person we go be say if you LB.
So Tanda.
Ask question then they ask say who's are the rest of the 5 people that were in and every day.
No,
the rest in day.
No, they still the worker for they try way for move them for place where they don't go hard. So small time they will move them. So anyhow we the air countryman. Yes, we get for the command now. Anyhow we don't be, we go leave a chance for another people then. What will be a last talk Tanda because you get last talk.
Yes, thank you, General MOKO. Before I go get last talk for the talk, I want you for contribute with you general this manager for radio. He don't talk say more leave hatred. If you hate person na how, not hate the person but talk say the person don't do this, the person don't do this, or the person never do it. And we always learn for talk what will be true. We always learn for talk what will be true. So me I take this time for salute so my few people them. I want for salute so my best friend with there for a lack motor park where they call him dancer. I know say it go there for a banner so it watch me. Now I really take this time again for salute the manager for Okura Radio, for a lack council radio. The salute my papa them, my family people them from MOKO. The salute my dear papa. Me just Henry for where I know say they go there the year with the woman. Salute my mommy, I know say they there for house. Mommy Miriam confirm. Salute mommy Yole, Madame Emeresia Bonka. I know say at least they could watch me now for Ndop. Salute all my family people, whether it's take for what my grandfather waited for one man country. Sir John Yungo, me I give you special salute. Mechas Elvis, Dr. Mechas Elvis, me I give you special salute. Stella Trumter, I give you a special salute. All my family people them, I give you a special salute. Thank you very much.
So we get will come out anyhow we don't be. They say Satan it is still be young, but God a opposite, but it could trump for Satan for say me Satan a defeat God. Before one come out, I the first talk for my papa them for side for Wimbledon say this so me papa them for inside that forum. Now forum for papa them. Me they not put person way it not be papa for inside that forum. Forum for mommy them. Me will not put Gayway it not be mommy for that forum because now them go bring in a confusion inside. So advise that we are 1 year. Funds forum we get for remove for funds. Title holder the forum remove for title so that me a worker when title holder get problem they go early solve them quick. When funds and get problem it go solve them quick. May we forget about jealousy and then stand for the truth and then stand for the development, stand for the peace. When I will see say this so all thing a worker. Now road that we don't come for side for Donga and to move the taram. When we start now with problem, small time the road it will be to problem. So at the back all the funds then for Donga and Mantum say me una try for bring the solution for this matter and at the back those from will be for grandstand say me the not down quiet me they come out with the truth what the way I be see am so that me people that when they not be there around the way me will know what the way really happen because the matter they go left and right. Yes, left and right. So when something don't be so, me from the Nojo command book, me the worker outside for the social media. So you know correct. So they call me General MOKO, the only general for Cameroon, the worker with a broom for sweep a Cameroon me clean. Anyhow they now God they protect we, not na Satan. We know there will problem with suppressing all man are with friend and all man now those who will participate with them. So countryman, carry me now go rest. We don't